dia, boa tarde, boa noite. Hello everyone. Welcome to my vlog. It's my first time vlogging in Brazil, in my home country, and I'm so happy about it. And let me update you a little bit. So I came to Brazil for like 1.5 months, so I'm staying in different places, and this vlog is gonna be about New Year's in Florianópolis because I am currently in Floripa and I just arrived at my friend's place. So basically it's like my first friend ever. Her name is Manu, and literally she went to the hospital when I was born because our parents are like friends since they were like 20 years old. Every time we come to Florianópolis, we stay at their place for like some time because they live in the north in Jurerê, and we have our house in Campeche, more like in the south of the island. I have such a bad headache right now. Really, I'm gonna have my period, and it's always like this the day before. And wow. We are staying 2 nights at their place, and then like in 2 days we're going back to our place in the south of the island. Dale hola.
Hola, cámara, es la primera vez que te conozco. Encantado de conocerte. Mua, te quiero.
My little breakfast. I have some tea, coconut water, and banana with a lot of stuff. Ah, Whey da Ducks, eu conheço esse.
Que eles dizem que é bem bom, não provei ainda. É que a groxa é bem barata, na real.
Well, you guys, my face is not normal. I just finished a 5K run. Oh my god, what the fuck? My mom is swimming here. The tranças. Oh wow! Que gata! She's going. Burning Man, nada a ver. Where are you going?
Jericoacoara, mas eu tô muito feliz.
Oi, parabéns! Tu vai tocar
Sim,
lá?
eu vou tocar.
Que show! Meia-noite antes do título ou depois?
Com o título, a gente vai fazer um back-to-back.
Ai, que show, cara! Foi. Beijo. Boa viagem. Tchau. Te cuido.
Não, mas depois.
Vou?
Ah, vocês estão por lá?
Sim, a gente tá lá. Vai ter churrasco hoje. Tchau! Te amo! I just got a matcha, strawberry matcha from the coffee. Like in Brazil, the coffee is kind of like the only place to drink matcha, and I don't really like the matcha from the coffee. And the only one I like is with strawberry, because if you get just the matcha is not super good, you know. But yeah, I just had a lymphatic massage here in the center of Florianópolis, and I'm gonna go to the shopping mall because I need to pick up shoes that I bought there. But I think I'm gonna get an Uber because like a 20-minute walk, and there's like some weird places I need to go around before getting there, so I'm not gonna risk. Let's go check Minnesota. Okay, I ended up buying both of them because I don't really have a lot of time here because we're gonna eat churrasco at home and I need to go back very soon. But yeah, I just didn't have time to think, so I bought both, and the price was really good. I loved the shoes, and now I need to pick up the shoes I already bought, and I wanted to go in other stores, but I don't think I'm gonna have the time. Ciao ciao! Havaianas! I just I don't really have a lot of time, so I'm like running. Like a little phone holder for like the beach at Havaianas.
Na delegacia?
Não me lembro, não vou no orelhão.
Tá muito bom. Provou o frango?
Oi!
Hoje eu peguei o teu prato dela.
De verdade, Carlota.
Se tu quiser um pouquinho mais, tá?
I went to do my eyebrows. If you can see, they're like super perfectly made, and I also did my upper lip. And then it started like raining like so much. Literally we started getting like notifications on our phone like don't go out, there is raining, inundação and all this shit, and like I'm so scared. And after I just went to like a cafe and then the water started to come inside the cafe. Like, I forgot to bring my camera. I should have filmed it. But literally, it felt like apocalypse because the water was inside all the stores. And then my friend came to pick me up and like I was running in the water. Then we came home, I just took a shower because I was completely wet. And it's still raining a lot outside.
Olá, bom dia, boa noite, Estela. Boa noite, fofinha. Diga oi para o meu vlog. I bought these Havaianas. My feet are so weird because I use like fake tanning and it's so ugly. But look at this. Let me show you what I got today. First of all, I got a tongue. Because in Brazil, we usually, like we always say, you need to start the year with new tongues. And I got this white one at Enjoyyyyy. And I also got one for my mom. And then I went to get like these shoes here. I got this from xxCarlota. It's a brand from the south of Brazil and I love them. They're so cute. And then I also got these here. I think they're super cool for summer. I bought this from Havaianas. It's like you can wear it to the beach and put like your phone inside and it doesn't get like any water or sand. And I actually like, I wanted to get the Melissa collab with xxCarlota, but they only sell at xxCarlota store, so I might get it when I go to Rio de Janeiro, because I'm soon going like in 20 days. Like in 20 days I'm going to Rio. So this is what I got today at Melissa store. Okay, I got then the ones I showed you before. This is the collab with Show. Like it's kind of like blue. I don't know, but I think they're like so cute. And I got one last thing. It's this pair of Melissa. I think they're so cool. They kind of make me think of Balenciaga. And yeah, super cool. I love my little shopping. Oi!
Deixa o samba morrer, deixa o samba acabar, deixa o samba, deixa o samba morrer, não deixa o samba acabar.
Quer vir?
Não precisa.
Essa máquina vai ter que ficar aqui depois.
As patinhas de caranguejo nesse aqui.
Okay guys, so we were at the public, como é que se fala? Mercado público em inglês? Public market. The public market from Florianópolis, and it was so nice. We bought garapa. I still have it. And then we also ate some pastel. And now we're going back home. I wanted to go to the beach, but the weather is like not nice now. It's gonna start raining at any minute now. I love this set from Sporty and Rich. It's so cute.
Começou. Oi, gente, tudo bem? Olha, ela vai mexendo. Muito legal. Ó, esse é o...
Ela te segue.
Eu gosto de jogar de boa. Não...
Cacá, mostra aí o... This is carpaccio from churrasco, from yesterday's churrasco.
Oi, meu ouvido?
Eu tô me divertindo muito, gente. Eu adoro essa câmera.
O que é isso, hein? Exame de ouvido?
Exame de ouvido.
Tá, vai, mãe, apresenta. O que é isso?
Se apresenta.
Oi, eu sou Tatiana, mãe da Catarina.
Vai, Manu, se apresenta.
Oi, eu sou a Manu.
Oi, eu sou o Enzo, namorado da Manu.
Eu sou a mãe da Carlota. Hello.
Oi, eu sou a Mônica, amiga da Carlota e de todos.
O que é fazer os homens? Que é uma câmera.
Ah, Estela.
Eu apresentei a Estela.
Ah, tá, então foi. Tchau.
Okay, guys, this is typical food from south of Brazil. It's called carreteiro. Boa apetite.
We usually make this the day after we do churrasco, when we have like the leftovers of the meat. Then you just put in rice and a lot of cilantro. It's so good. Good morning! I am back in Campeche at my place. Well, my aunt's place, which is also like the family's place. But yeah, so today is the 31st and it's gonna be New Year's very soon, no, like in a few hours. And I'm gonna show you a bit of what I like to do when it's New Year's. And first of all, we're drinking some chimarrão, and I made myself, I have some tea here, and then my mom just prepared some like ginger shots. And now I'm gonna give a yoga class to my aunt, my mom, and my grandma. Okay, so I'm gonna give the yoga class from there. My aunt, my mom, and my grandma, she's gonna sit, and I'm gonna give her the class while she's sitting. Look, it's a beautiful day. Well, the sun just came out. But yeah, this is basically the house here in Campeche. Let me show you real quick over here. It's beautiful. It's like up in the mountains. It's very hard to get in here. You need to have like a very strong car. But yeah, this is the house. This is me. The rede. You wanna say hello to the vlog?
Bom dia, good morning.
Last day of the year.
Yoga class. Today is the last day of the year 2026, and we are very excited to finish this year with Carlota having a class with so hilarious yoga.
Exactly.
We're very, very happy.
Look, my aunt just renovated everything for the summer, and all this was not here. Also, this was not here. This water filter, which is very like Brazilian water filter, it was not here. Look how beautiful this is. And then I love this house because there is like a stone in the middle of the house. We put this plant here, and then look. It's beautiful. Peraí.
Olha que amor essa xicrinha.
Esse é o shot de cúrcuma.
Saúde.
Saúde pra nós.
Saúde pra nós.
Saindo do ano e deixando toda a coisa que não presta pra trás.
Isso aí, vó.
É, e
Saúde.
entramos com o pé direito, não pode falar.
Nossa! Olha,
Isso aqui é uma...
E sentar um pouco pra alongar a bunda, né?
É.
Tu pode ficar aqui ou tu pode descer. Cuidado e paz. I just went on a run. I did 5K and I'm like dripping sweat all over my body. Não, eu não gosto. O que tem com a pocilga?
Olha o sutiãzão. Essa calcinha. Não, tá.
o Márcio.
I just have my green juice here. Kiss. What is this? Cheese. I have my papaya here, and I also just made protein shake.
Foi? Segura o bolo. Ai, que show fazer isso!
Puxa reto, né?
Que legal!
Okay guys, so I finished my dessert. Later I'm just gonna like organize it, and now I'm having some caldinho de feijão. It's like black beans. This is red beans, and my aunt made red beans yesterday, so we just put in the mixer and we mix it, and it's like a soup, and it's so good. Obrigada. Foi.
Olha o teu pé.
Foi.
Não fica muito rede?
Just started to rain, and we're going back home now because I think like there is a big rain coming, like a lot. Look at this. I'm gonna start doing my New Year's rituals that I do every like 31st before New Year's, and I just put like a hair mask for like hydrating, and here I did like white mud, okay? It's kind of like gray actually, and I put some essential oils and some oils to hydrate, and I'm gonna put around my body, my face, and then now I'm gonna start like writing the things I don't want for me anymore, and then I'm gonna burn them. So yes. Now I have two different type of bath. So I'm gonna do like outside because it's like a herb bath with some salt, like sea salt, and then I'm just gonna like think of everything I don't want, like all the energy I want to release, everything I don't want in my body, and I'm just gonna like put it away. And then I have like a sweet bath, which is everything I want for me. Then I'm gonna put it over me, always not on your head, always from here down, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Hello.
Now we're doing face masks. Okay guys, last part of my little rituals. I'm doing my scalda pass. I don't know how to say it. It's like salty bath for my feet. And then I'm gonna write on my journal like a little letter for myself for next year. Uau! É muito gata!
Também com
Aqui, ó.
tudo que tu faz.
Olha só.
Hã?
I'm preparing a moqueca de camarão, lula.
And this is for the farofa.
For the farofa.
Farofa. I have my kombucha champagne.
Kombucha
Champagne.
champagne.
Não, ah, essa! Congelou? Tá geladinha então. Vamos brindar? Okay, so we have a moqueca, we have rice with curcuma, we have some farofa and fresh fish
Robalo.
sauce. Robalo?
Salud.
Saúde. Show the makeup I just did on you. Oh, wow.
Tira o óculos.
Isso, manda beijo.
Do Espírito Santo. Amém. Esta oferta, a vossa bondade abençoai. Ó bom Deus, amém. Obrigada por esse alimento e que nós tenhamos cada vez mais em 1900, em 2000, em 2026. Seu olhar, tu parece até sabe o que? Calma de tirar o álvaro,
at the cake I just made.
Vai lá, vai lá. Mais um ano juntos. Foi?
Velho, feliz ano novo, que tudo se